Good morning, friends. We all know at least a little about electricity and its wide application in every facet of life. Reason being, we have been experiencing electricity right from our childhood till we attain the old age, right? So, let's have a look on certain vital aspects which may certainly contribute to knowledge of one and all. Earthing, a very important aspect of electrical engineering, and we also know about because we listen about in our households, in commercial complexes, in our professional places, industries, right? So let's see what earthing is. The process of transferring the immediate discharge of the electrical energy directly to the earth by the help of low resistance wire is known as electrical earthing. The electrical earthing, how it is done? By connecting the known current carrying part of the equipment or neutral of supply system to the ground. This is how electrical earthing is done, either by connecting the known current carrying part of equipments, electrical equipment I mean, or neutral of supply system. This is probably not easy for you all to understand what is the meaning of this second part, neutral of supply system. So that if required we will talk about. तो या तो हम इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेस हैं उनकी बॉडी को अर्थ करते हैं बाय कनेक्टिंग इट्स known current carrying part which is normally the body to the ground, या फिर neutral of supply system यानी in short it is neutral coming out from the LT side of डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ट्रांसफार्मर, उसको भी हम ग्राउंड से कनेक्ट करते हैं. लेट्स सी व्हाट एल्स फॉर टुडे. द पर्पस और टू से इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ अर्थिंग इन आवर लाइफ. Earthing infrastructure is mandatory requirement for all users of electricity, and the purpose is to save human life from danger of electrical shock from faulty equipment or appliances. Next purpose is to provide safe path to dissipate lightning or line surge if it happens. Friends, lightning doesn't happen daily, right? But if it happens, it brings a lot of damage. We probably hear about, especially during rainy seasons. So that is another purpose of this earthing system. And thirdly, to provide stable platform for operation of electrical distribution network or the electronic devices. As I mentioned, the transformer's neutral is earth or grounded properly to meet this purpose which is mentioned at third point here, to provide stable platform for operation of electrical distribution network or electronic device. You are unable to see this on the screen, and probably for everyone it is not important to know about because it's limited to the professionals of electrical engineering. The knowledge required is limited to the professional of electrical engineering systems who designs and maintains these electrical systems. तो दोस्तों आज के लिए इतना ही. To start with, on electrical engineering, the vital aspects, I'll say the vital aspects of electrical engineering, जो generic aspects हैं, like electrical motors, the principle of working, construction, transformer, etc. ये चीज़ें normally by virtue of time थोड़ा बहुत पता लग ही जाता है. And secondly, ये चीज़ें जो हैं ज़्यादा रिलेवेंस है इनका अगेन टू द इलेक्ट्रिकल प्रोफेशनल्स टू हैव स्ट्रॉन्ग नॉलेज ऑन दीज इक्विपमेंट्स एंड द कनेक्टेड एस्पेक्ट्स. बट फॉर वन एंड ऑल द अर्थिंग इज डेफिनेटली इम्पॉर्टेंट. Thank you for today. We shall continue on the other vital aspects of electrical engineering, like lightning arrestor, as I mentioned. It's very important again to at least know about. Thank you. Bye bye. Enjoy the day.